This is ECU NGC4. Here are the connectors. In this video, I'm going to talk about JTAG programming this device. The JTAG pinout is in here. Here are the power. I have 3D printed a jig that we can use here to align the JTAG pins. And I think if we do properly, we do not even need to remove the gels. The way the jig works is I have a PCB board here and I solder the pogo pins here. These pogo pins perfectly align with the JTAG pins here. So I just need to align the pins. Then I use screw to screw those screw on. I've connected, just do a little press and you can see all the pins are properly aligned. Then we can make the JTAG connection. So here are the pin, the ground pin. So let's connect the ground pin. Then the TDI. TDO. TCK. Then the reset pin. Then the TMS. And the last one is the JCOM. So double check the connection and you can see this is how it is connected. Also connect the power pins. So here are the power and ground. Let's plug in the Link NT, power on, and power on the ECU. So let's connect it. And you can see we can detect the flash as well as the other informations, 5554. So now I'm going to back up the flash. You can see we can achieve about 500 kilobytes per second, save it. And we can also back up the EEPROM. This EEPROM is an external ST32 kilobit, which is 4 kilobyte. So we have one EEPROM and one flash being saved. If you want, we can do a verification. As well as the EEPROM, verify it. Now let's try to program the flash. Let's say I want to program this flash, even though it's the same. Let's say I click it, click open, and it asks you do you want to confirm? Yes. And it will do the erase. The programming is very fast. It will take about 14 seconds to program. Yeah, 14 seconds. So total 22 seconds erase in the program for the entire 2 MB flash. If I want to program the EEPROM, so I click this thing. I want to click this EEPROM. Are you sure? So we click yes.